Hi, welcome to the Upscaler Channel Sales Enablement Company App Employee Demo. Upscaler is a channel sales enablement platform. In the last video, we have shown you how the distributor employee uses the app to get the info of all the company data and how they communicate with the company employee. In this app, we will log in as a company employee, let's say an insurance company employee, Max Bupa employee. So I'll just log in using my mobile number and email ID. I'll agree to the terms and condition. I'll sign in. I'll add the OTP. I'll click on submit. Now I have logged in as the employee of one of the company, so I can see my monthly target in terms of lakhs. That's the figures in lakhs. It's achievement done by me, the branch visits, the number of people I have done meeting with in this current month, and the active branches. Let's say there may be multiple branches of the bank which are we are working with, but only the active branches who are actually generating a business. So our data of those branches are shown to me on the high level dashboard. Just like a distributor employee was having an access to the product of multiple companies, the company employee have an access to only their respective company data. I'm an employee of HDFC Argo, so I can only see the data of Argo. Similarly, I can get trained in the training run by my own company. Then we have the stories as we have seen in the distributor app. Now when I click on the most important part of this app, which is the manpower, here I see the list of all the branches RM and BM which are associated with me, whom with I do my business on a regular basis. So I can get each branch business report, certification report, renewal reports. So if I click on any of the report, I get branch specific report of my own company. Here I cannot see the data of other companies, but as in the distributor login, they were able to see the data of all the companies. So this is how we are maintaining a relation between the distributor and the company. Like all the reports are available on their fingertips. When I click on my team, I get my upline who I can coordinate with. If I click on performance, then I get my entire performance. Like this is the achievement and target I have to achieve and what kind of business I have done as of now. Now very important feature is creating a meeting, BVR, branch visit report. I'll click on this BVR. These are the meetings conducted by me as of now. If I click on the plus icon, whom I'm meeting with, so I'm meeting the branch banking people. So I'll just select the branch here as 1402. It's Chalkodi, Kerala is the branch. I'll select the date. I'm allowed to enter the meetings of last 7 days. It can be configured as per the company and distributor policy. So let's say I select the date as 11th of November, Monday, and the time I met them was around 3:15 p.m. And then I can select the member of those branch. So here all the people who are working in that branch are available. I can select them. These people will get the minutes of meeting at the end of the meeting once I submit the meeting. When I click continue, here I can write the minutes of meeting, what I have discussed. I've discussed on the revenue, I've discussed on walk-ins, what I've discussed on online. These are the points I've discussed. Now I can create an actionable. Actionable is what was this meeting all about? It was a meeting with staff or a customer visit. These again are dynamic things which can be modified as per company and distributor arrangement. This time I City Cats branch huddle meet. The product we discussed was motor. Period of completion of this activity, we started from 1st of November. We are planning to end it on 30th of November. Premium expected in INR from this activity is of around 55 lakhs. It's 55 only for 5 lakhs. Number of policies we are willing to sell is around 100. Expected result from the activity is more motor insurance then last month. Then I can just click on which whom are responsible. I think both are responsible, as insurance as well as branch. When I click on continue, I get a summary detail here. Who are the attendees? I can click and see these are the attendees of the meeting. There are points discussed, and if I confirm, the meeting will get create. So I'm not confirming it at the moment. I'll again go on the home page. Now when you confirm a meeting, you get meeting IDs and other stuff. So here you click here, you get all the data about the meeting. So very important feature of this app is creating a meeting, a BVR. So this is how insurance person gets in coordination with the bank employee, that is a distributor employee gets in coordination with the company employee. All the notifications and mail are sent, and big analysis reports are available at the back end to verify the data and take further actions. Thank you.